Please look at my car, please. It's a Supra right there. Dream car. It's right there. How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you, sir?
Good, good, good. This has been my dream car for years, from when I was, what, 15, 16, watching the Fast and Furious. Seeing Paul Walker, rest in peace to Paul Walker, man. He's the reason why I'm in love with this car. Like, oh my goodness. I can't believe this is real. It's my baby's new home right here. This is where this car is gonna get turned out. Turbo. Come on. What's your dream car?
Supra.
Okay, the MK4 or the MK5?
After
How big the turbo is. Alright, man, so we just reached the gas station before the car show. Put that 91 in here, man. I see a lot of people here.
Warm or not, I don't know.
You got the two Supras right here. These are the rooms I want right here.
I know it's pretty packed.
Can't wait to have them on all day.
Yeah, Highline last week?
Stop, boy, stop.
You guys like double
Let's put up tabs. See what's squatting. See the vibe. It's a nice ass Corvette though. I'm not really a fan of this one, but this one's fire. Gives me Ferrari vibes. Chrome lining, crazy. Yeah, this is a badass though. I'm looking scared to be in this car.
I know, it looks so like a death trap.
Bro, fam, this is the Ford that was in
That one, right?
the Ford that was in the movie Ford vs Ferrari. This is it's not the exact one, but this is the car. This is the GT that they're working on. Nigga, whoa.
Everywhere I go. Yeah, bro. Put out the camera real quick. Oh, shit, great.
Those t-shirts are fucking.
Where'd you get the camera from, bro?
Wilson camera.
You can see yourself.
Bro, this shit crazy.
Gotta document this shit, man.